Today we'll learn how to automate WhatsApp with just 2 lines of code. We'll be using Python. Python is a programming language that's basically used for machine learning, data science, robotics, and in many more fields. Python is the most popular language nowadays. It's easy to learn and use. No prior knowledge is required for this video. At the end of the course, we'll be able to schedule any WhatsApp message to any phone number at any time. We'll be using PyWhatkit, any Python IDE, and WhatsApp Web. It's very easy. You can pip install PyWhatkit, and I'll be using PyCharm version 3.9. Let's get started. Hello guys, now let's download PyCharm. Just go Google PyCharm and click on the first link. It's PyCharm download, or you can simply enter jetbrains.com/PyCharm. Go download PyCharm. There's the community edition and the professional edition. The community is for free and it's open source. It's only for Python, while the professional edition it can be used for web development, HTML, JavaScript, and others. Now let's download the community edition. Now PyCharm is downloaded. We Google PyWhatkit, click on the first link, it's pypi.org. This is the link where we'll copy our pip install for PyWhatkit. It's PyWhatkit 3.9. We just copy this command over here, pip install PyWhatkit. Now we open PyCharm, go to the terminal, it's just here, terminal, we click Ctrl V, paste the link over here, it's pip install PyWhatkit. Okay, I already downloaded it, it's required already satisfied. Now we are all set up, we can start our code. Okay, let's start coding. First, let us import the command. It's import PyWhatkit. That's the first line. Very easy and very simple. Second line is PyWhatkit dot. We're gonna send a WhatsApp message, so send WhatsApp message. Enter the phone number with the country code. After that, we're gonna add our message. Let's say anything. Good morning. Okay. Now we add the time. It's 19. Let's say 4. After that, we can add also wait time. The wait time is the time that WhatsApp Web will wait until the message will be delivered. So we imported PyWhatkit, we entered PyWhatkit, send WhatsApp message, enter the phone number, our message, the time, hours, 10 minutes. After that, the wait time. Let's run our code. That's it. In 27 seconds, WhatsApp Web will open, and after 6 seconds, message will be delivered. Okay guys, that's it. WhatsApp opened and the message was sent. Good morning at 7:34. That's it. Great job.